We are in the Metroparks of Bedford, y'all, and these motherfuckers about to go swimming in this creek. It is a waterfall, and it's like heli caves, and like, oh my gosh, he hurt me. Look. Look.
I'm about to jump your ass.
Look though, it's caves down there. It could be like the people off the hills have eyes looking down there. They about to go swimming. Look, y'all, this shit crazy.
Oh
my god.
I see you on the other side.
I'm scared for real. Look, hold on, y'all. Watch. Y'all see him?
Time to jump.
You're gonna jump in there?
Yeah.
Oh my! Did you hear that? This nigga's about to jump in there. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Here they go down here. That ain't there. Look.
They got to climb that waterfall, girl.
White people is so adventurous. Oh my god! Look.
You know a nigga would never go down here.
Heck, you know. Can I zoom in? I can't. I don't know how to.
No. You got an option ready?
No.
Girl.
I know, right?
Matt, get it together.
All right.
You see that nigga over here?
Where?
Right here.
Oh my god, look at this person. You see these dudes, y'all? What the heck? These people is crazy. And this nigga, oh my, that's the dude who said he was about to jump. Look. If he jumped, oh my gosh. Yeah. They asked if he was jumping, and I said, yeah, I think this dude is about to die.
Oh, you feel me?
Yeah, yeah.
That shit looks shallow.
Hell yeah, this dude about to die.
News right now.
Oh yeah, y'all people in Cleveland, Ohio, y'all better call the news, y'all. This dude about to die. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's some people coming for a crowd. You see him? Wait, oh my gosh, here he comes. I'm so scared. Oh my gosh. Hell yeah.
You about to upload this on YouTube.
Girl.
Bitch, you about to get 1 million hits. You about to be on time 2.0.
We about to put this on World Star Hip Hop, girl. World Star.
Fucks with it.
Wait, I think he about to do something.
He about to do a flip.
This ain't the real life.
I didn't see him up in this bitch.
This is thug life for real. They is so gangster. Dang! Oh my gosh, that must be really deep.
Wiz Khalifa in this bitch.
That was great. I thought he was gonna die, but he survived. I am so proud of him. White people be doing crazy shit, but they smart as hell. Props up, 2 thumbs.